Hey, what's up guys? You know what? One UI 8 3D fluffy widgets now available on Play Store. But guys, this is paid widgets. And you also want KWGT Pro version for this widget for add your home screen. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install this One UI 8 3D fluffy widgets using KWGT on your home screen. So let's begin. Okay guys, look at these One UI 8 fluffy widget and KWGT. Guys, I provide these both apps download direct Play Store link on description. After install KWGT, guys, simply tap and hold go to KWGT, and remember you require KWGT Pro version for this widget. Simply choose small size and first set widget size like this. Simply tap and go to fluffy widget and look at these all One UI 8 3D fluffy widgets. Simply tap overlap ground and you set widget position and size like this. Look at this. And also set position. After set position, guys, simply tap on save and look at this One UI 8 fluffy widget now on your Galaxy device. Look at this, all icons properly working. Let me show you another widget. Simply tap and hold. This time I will show you Google widget. Simply tap on save and look at this Google widget also add on your home screen. Guys, look at this. So guys, you also add these 3D One UI 8 fluffy widgets on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.